Listen to me. If you are retired, or you are getting ready to step into retirement, every single dollar you have earned represents your hard work, your time, and your financial freedom. So when you are looking at digital financial tools like Paysend to transfer money, maybe to your children, your grandchildren, or family living abroad, you have to ask the right questions. And the big question on your mind today is, does Paysend require ID verification? People, the short answer is yes. Paysend does require identity verification. But before you throw your hands up in frustration or start worrying about your personal information, I want you to take a deep breath. Because I am here to tell you that this requirement is actually a very good thing for you and your financial security. Now, I understand your fear. I know what goes through your mind when an app or a website asks you to upload a photo of your driver's license, your passport, or your social security number. You worry about identity theft. You worry about online hackers. You worry that putting your sensitive personal documents onto the internet is setting you up to get scammed or wiped out. You have worked 40 years to build your nest egg, and the last thing you want to do is put it in jeopardy over a money transfer. That fear is completely natural, and quite frankly, I am glad you are cautious. Being protective of your money is how you stay safe in retirement. But here is the truth about how financial institutions work. When a financial company like Paysend does not ask for your identification, that is when alarm bells should go off in your head. Legitimate, fully regulated financial platforms are required by law to know exactly who is sending money and who is receiving it. This is known in the financial industry as Know Your Customer, or KYC rules. It is designed specifically to stop fraud, prevent money laundering, protect consumers, and keep criminal syndicates out of the banking system. So when Paysend asks for your identity verification, they are obeying international financial safety laws designed to protect you and your hard-earned dollars. So, how does Paysend's ID verification actually work, and what should you expect? When you first sign up for Paysend, you might be allowed to send a very small, basic initial transfer without immediately uploading a photo ID. But that introductory period is strictly limited. Once you reach a certain low transfer threshold, or if you want to send higher amounts of money to your loved ones, Paysend will lock down further activity until you verify who you are. To complete identity verification, Paysend will typically ask you to upload a clear, legible photograph of a government-issued photo ID. This means a valid driver's license, a national identity card, an official state ID, or an unexpired passport. In many cases, especially in the United States, you will also be required to provide your social security number or ITIN. Furthermore, to make sure someone hasn't simply stolen a picture of your driver's license, their system may ask you to take a quick photo or video selfie using your smartphone or computer camera. In higher transfer tiers, they may even request proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement, to prove you live where you say you live. Now, I want you to pay very close attention to how you complete this process, because this is where actionable safety comes into play. First action step, only submit your identification through the official, verified Paysend mobile application or their direct, secure website portal. Never, and I mean never, send a photo of your driver's license, your passport, or your social security card through an email, a text message, or a social media message. Scammers out there know that older adults are using money transfer apps, and they will impersonate customer service agents telling you that your account is blocked and demanding your ID over email. Paysend will never ask you to text them your passport photo. Always log into the official app on your device, go straight to your account profile under Settings, locate the Security or Verification section, and upload your documents directly through their encrypted portal. Second action step, make sure your documents are clean, clear, and up to date before you start. Do not try to submit an expired driver's license or a blurry photograph taken in low light. Make sure all four corners of your ID card are clearly visible in the picture, with no glare from room lights covering your name or birth date. Doing this right the first time ensures that automated systems or verification teams can approve your account in a matter of minutes to a few hours without unnecessary delays. Third action step, keep your account credentials strictly private. Your password and two-factor authentication codes belong to you and only you. Do not let anyone else set up or handle your financial apps for you unless it is a trusted power of attorney or a spouse who shares your joint finances. Listen to me, taking control of your financial tools is part of protecting your retirement lifestyle. Technology is changing fast, but when you understand the rules of the road, you do not have to be afraid of it. ID verification is not an obstacle put there to hassle you. It is a digital vault door designed to ensure that nobody else can pretend to be you and drain your savings. Verify your identity properly, follow official secure channels, protect your personal credentials, and keep your financial life safe, sound, and secure.